So this is the bigger 1250 GSA, and this is a mammoth. You can see my feet hardly touches the ground, but this has a center stand, and this bike is huge. 30 liters tank. It's a much heavier bike, but after all it is the 1250 GS. And hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ashish Mishra and I am today at BMW Pune, and I am here to check out the BMW 1250 GSA, the new yellow and black. They call it the 40 or 41 years edition, and this is one beautiful bike which I really want to see. And अभी तो मेरे पास कोई बाइक नहीं है, and this is one bike which I am considering from a very long time. तो चलिए अब अंदर जाते हैं, देखते हैं नया BMW 1250 GSA कैसा है, because it is one really beautiful bike, and it has some new features like the adaptive light, and gets 7 riding modes now. So BMW has done some changes with the electronics and the adaptive lights, of course. So please watch this video till the end so that you can know is it really worthwhile spending 30 lakhs on this bike, because at Pune this bike is costing around 29 lakhs of rupees. That's a lot. So please, I request you to watch this video till the end, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel right now and do hit the bell icon. So guys, this is the BMW 1250 GSA 2021 edition, and this is a special edition of 41 years of BMW. Comes really nice with black and yellow. Oh my god, this bike is gorgeous, and the GSA has the bigger tank, as you can see. So this is a 30-liter tank, and very nicely written 1250 over here with a yellow seat, and this is again a bench seat. You have an option to upgrade for split seats, and as you know, in GS you get the shaft drive, and the alloy is there again, all painted in yellow. And in the GSA you will get a center stand as stock, rally foot pegs, and then you get a nice steel guard here. And the biggest change that has come with this bike are these adaptive lights. So with every situations, you know, these lights, they change their movements. And oh god, this bike is a mammoth, and the 2021 edition gets that TFT screen, which is there in the previous edition also. So this bike, you know, it's so well built. You get this gold alloy handlebar and nice yellow hand guards to match the 41 years badging. And these panniers, they are optional, you have to buy them extra, but the GSA version gets the pannier rack, steel guards, extra set of lights, and the center stand free, whereas the normal GS version doesn't get all this. And of course that gets a small tank. Seat height of this bike is about 890, and I'm about 5 feet 10 inches tall, and somehow I can manage this bike. Oh, you get a nice windscreen here. The bike looks massive from front. Indeed, one of the best touring bikes out there. If you go to the tail, that's the stock exhaust, and you get nice mud flap here with GS branding. The alloys, again, you know, this is a tubeless tire. The alloys are gold colored. Yeah, bike looks immensely good. So let's check out the normal GS 1250. So that's the normal GS 1250. It comes with a smaller tank, and it doesn't have crash guards like the other GS does. Everything else is the same on this bike. You see it also comes with a Boxster engine, and it's a more wise option to buy the bigger GSA than the smaller one. The price difference is only of about 2 lakhs. So if given a choice, I would prefer buying a bigger GSA. So I just have a sit on it, and you can see I'm 5 feet 10 inches tall, and how well I put up with this bike. So this is almost good. The handlebars come right to me, and this doesn't feel so heavy at all. I think with proper riding gears my feet would touch the ground, and I think this is a size which we Indians can manage, because the other GS is extremely big and you need to have a good physique to control that bike. But again, as I said, that is a much better feature. It's a better option than this one, because there is a price difference of only 2 lakhs rupees. So yeah, this is in fact the dream bike of a lot of bikers, and personally I would also, if you ask me, I would like to buy this bike. Yeah. So this is the bigger 1250 GSA, and this is a mammoth. You can see my feet hardly touches the ground, but this has a center stand, and this bike is huge. 30 liters tank. It's a much heavier bike, but after all it is the 1250 GS. And so that's the console, and if you start it up like this, you get a nice BMW welcome logo, and it's all TFT. Very neat. And this bike you get 7 riding modes and the adaptive lights. So that's the major difference in this bike, and of course this gorgeous color scheme. So shall we fire it up? Let's fire this up. And the switch and all is, everything is top notch. So if we that's the cockpit. Very neat. So that was GSA 1250 adventure for you. I love this bike. So what do you think about this bike? Please write your opinion in the comment section, and if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe the channel. So guys, अभी मुझे मिला है BMW 1250 GSA का कोटेशन. चलिए देखते हैं इसका. मैं अभी इस वीडियो में आपको उसका ब्रेकअप बताता हूँ, एंड आपको बताऊँगा एग्जैक्टली ये महाराष्ट्र में इसका ऑन रोड प्राइस कितना है. तो हम जो अभी देख रहे थे वो 40 इयर्स एडिशन था विथ लो सस्पेंशन. एंड अच्छा, एक्चुअली 2 वेरिएंट्स है, एक लो सस्पेंशन है और एक है स्टैंडर्ड. तो जो विथ लो सस्पेंशन है, जिसको मतलब कोई भी आदमी अगर 5 फीट 5 फीट 6 इंच का है, उसको और एडिशनल लो सस्पेंशन चाहिए, तो उसको एक शोरूम पे देना पड़ेगा 25,000 रुपये एक्स्ट्रा. तो उसकी एक शोरूम है 23,25,000 एंड जो नॉर्मल वेरिएंट है वो है एडवेंचर का 23 लैक्स। तो इसमें जो इंश्योरेंस फिगर है वो है 92,046 रुपीज़ का एंड यहाँ पे महाराष्ट्र में जो रजिस्ट्रेशन चार्जेस है वो लगभग 20% है एंड GSA का RTO रजिस्ट्रेशन चार्जेस है 5,14,300 रुपीज़ विच इज़ वेरी ह्यूज। हमारे उड़ीसा में रजिस्ट्रेशन सिर्फ 10% है, तो इट्स मोर वाइज टू बाई इट इन उड़ीसा बिकॉज हमको सिर्फ इसकी आधा देना पड़ेगा एंड विद एक्स्ट्रा मनी यू कैन बाय एसेसरीज। रोड साइड इंश्योरेंस असिस्टेंस इनका 3 साल के लिए है 21,239। एक्सटेंडेड वारंटी विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्योंकि इस बाइक में बहुत सारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स है, तो इसलिए आप अगर इसको ख़रीद रहे हैं प्लीज़ बाय द एक्सटेंडेड वारंटी। ये 5 साल का है, आपका 2 साल नॉर्मल वारंटी होता है एंड 3 साल एडिशनल वारंटी देते हैं। तो इसके जो एक्सटेंडेड वारंटी चार्जेस हैं वो है 25,500। देन आपका सिंस दिस बाइक इज़ मोर देन 10 लैक्स, इसमें गवर्नमेंट का एक मैंडेटरी TCS 1% है। सो जो TCS 1% का फिगर है वो है 23,250। ये सबको अगर हम एडअप करेंगे तो आपका ऑन रोड इन पुणे, दैट इज़ द स्टेट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, आपका फिगर आता है 29,78,085 रुपीज़ विच इज़ मैसिव। तो ये आपको लगभग 30 लाख रुपए देना पड़ेगा एंड अगर आप सोच रहे हैं इसमें बैंक लोन करके ख़रीदने के लिए, जैसे कि मान लीजिए आउट ऑफ 29 लैक्स आप 10 लैक्स देना चाहते हैं, 20 लैक्स का आपको लोन लेना है 5 साल में, देन नॉर्मल बैंक इंटरेस्ट है अराउंड 10% फॉर मोटरसाइकिल्स। तो आपकी जब लोन अमाउंट ख़त्म करेंगे तो उसमें बहुत सारे एडिशनल चार्जेस भी रहेंगे। So this makes the GSA quite an expensive affair and this is where people think to consider about bikes like Africa Twin या Triumph Tiger because आपको it's almost 10 lakhs less than this price and you're also getting almost a similar experience। मानता हूँ कि Tiger is little bit underpowered than this bike, but then just think about it, you are spending almost 10 lakhs more here and इसमें अगर आप accessories भी डालेंगे that's another 4 to 5 lakhs, that makes it around 35 lakhs which is a very expensive affair। But at the end of the day, as I told you in this video, it's a BMW GS and उससे better ride आपको और कहीं नहीं मिलेगा। So that's it for today guys, I hope you like this video and अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा please remember to hit the like button and if you have not subscribed to this channel please hit the subscribe button। चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, बाय बाय, नमस्ते।